Hello and welcome to. Wait, what's that thing at the bottom? Is that moving? Is this actually a video and not just a presentation? That's right, baby. This is episode 4 of Beat the Market, and we're coming to you live with HD video, and we're like 1080p or something. I don't know. But yeah, the people have spoken. They asked for my pretty face in the video, and so ask and you shall receive. I was also using the wrong aspect ratio in the previous videos, so that's fixed now too. Thank you to my friend Bill at work for helping with the video editing software and the aspect ratio change. All right, so other than the fact that I'm on camera, we have some fantastic news to talk about today. Our account is up over $1,300 from last week, including a gain of over $800 in just 1 week. The whole market was up, but the stocks in our portfolio outperformed those gains. And as of today, we have made $614 in total gains in the 4 weeks of this series. So 292 of that is from the index fund. And then finally, after 4 weeks, our stocks pulled ahead of the index fund by $30. And so we're up to a total of $322 in gains from the stock half of the portfolio. It looks like Delta is doing the heavy lifting in that stock half, but by percentage, Royal Caribbean is actually winning. They're up 6.5% compared to Delta's 3.5% and the VT Sax's 2.7% gain. Now, I have good news and bad news. The good news is that I'm planning on improving the quality of these videos with more actual videos like this, including background stock footage and a lot of cool stuff you can do with like video editing footage. The bad news is that it took me forever to figure out how all these technologies worked, and I had all these issues with like frame rates and with like an audio video sync problem. So this is going to be a really short video, hopefully the shortest video that we have. Plus, I have this huge work project that I'm working on, and I'm going to be super busy with that for the next week and a half. This is probably going to be like a 70 or 80 hour work week. So this is going to be a short video. And I know we still have a Delta stock review to do. This is exciting. I have a recommendation for a fourth holding that I actually got today from a guy I know. And this isn't just any guy that I know. It's not just some random guy on the street, although I have taken advice from random guys on the street. I can't drop any names, but this man is a multi-millionaire analyst, investor, and business strategist who personally oversees private hedge funds. He's got over 20 years of experience in wealth management and business analysis. And I talked to him about Doetsch Money today, and he had an ETF recommendation that he thinks is going to beat the S&P 500 by 100 or 200% in the next 5 to 10 years. Now, in general, we've got like a 3 to 5 year outlook. So that's 5 to 10 is a little bit long, but if this guy's recommending it that strongly, it's going to be hard to say no. So we need to cash in. We're a little low on cash because I keep buying stocks every week. So the plan is to sell some of our Delta and some of our Disney shares in the next few weeks. If they climb up to a good high point, I might try to sell at a peak. If not, I'll just sell it at wherever they are. And that way, that'll give us some more funds to purchase this recommendation that I'll talk about next week, as well as more of the Royal Caribbean, because we're still pretty low on that compared to our other stocks. But unfortunately, that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you all for liking and subscribing and all that jazz. That actually makes a huge difference in how many people can see these videos. And may the market be in your favor. Talk to you guys next week.